Hey guys, we're back with another Minecraft figure, and if you like what you see here, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And today we're going to be making a skeleton. He's pretty quick and pretty easy, and I'm assuming you guys can roll fondant and gum paste by now, so we're just going to zoom through this. I start out with the legs and the pelvis on a lollipop stick. It's an 8-inch stick. They're rolled out to be about half an inch thickness. I attached a spine to it, and the piece I'm adding to the top is going to be the collarbone, I guess. It's longer than the pelvis is going to be, so pay attention to that. The ribs here that I'm working on are just 2 squares. I took a straw from Dunkin' Donuts that I stole and hollowed out the center, and then just add the ribs onto the side of the spine and collarbone using a little bit of water on a paintbrush and press them into place. What you're going to see me do next is I'm going to add the arms. They're just in more thin pieces, rolled out, long and flat. Attach them to the ribs and the collarbone, not the pelvis. You want to keep him really squared off. The head, as you can see, is an inch thick, and it's a perfect, well, I like to say perfect square. The face is just 3 little black strips of gum paste cut and attached with water, and a food coloring marker adds a little bit of detail. That's it. Thank you very much.